Okay, class, I'm just going to show you how to get to your data files for your case problems. So if you go over here, you see data files, and then you'll click on this to open. And then you'll see different modules, Word 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the first one, click on the Word 1, and it's going to open down at the bottom here, if I can get to it. Let's see if I can get to it. Let's see, I got my stuff in the way here. Here we go. Okay, so here it is, and move everything back so you can see. And I'm going to open this up, and you're going to do the case 2 problem, and there's your files. Okay, and so you're going to do the same thing for the next case problem from module 2. Just open that up and get down here, and here's your Word 2, case 2, and there's your file. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know.